Okay, quick Monday morning radar update. I've got double vision and a migraine this morning, so I'll get through this one the best I can. We've got a gap down this morning, just drifting a bit at the moment. Let's quickly jump into the volume leaders and just get through this. It is 11:10. We should have traded 37% to be on average volume. Not much in the large caps today. Let's just buzz through these and get into the small caps. VLX, it looked like it had a tip on it this morning when I was looking at the pre-market. Confirmed. Cheers, guys. So a little bit of noise, you get that open interest by, the people who chase tips. It usually drifts back down into the normal area, and news and tips create the same pattern on an intraday basis, don't they? CLG, I have a position in that one as well. That's a news-based little move, and they just drift back into that normal area and start to build from there usually. Let the noise play out first. And into those small caps. I've already forgot at 37%. There's quite a few on the small caps again. The small caps have been pretty good. It's a quiet start actually for small caps. It is a Monday morning. Just buzz through these. Nothing really leading, just a soft day. SRC, obviously a little bit of news on this one as well. See it breaking out of this base today. Let's see if it can hold that into the close. We'll see it tonight if it does. MCL's in there again. Tick back up from a slaughter in its numbers by the looks of things. AVG as well. Graphene. Moving on, no forward on that one. Beg B's, obviously we saw this one Friday, didn't we? It does, tick some boxes, doesn't it? BEG, bit of a boring one, but gear for music. We saw tune last week as well, didn't we? Moving through highs. EBQ, return to profit on that one. I see the base kind of had a big pop off the lows there, so building a base is very normal action. It's a recovery. PGH, that's got a tick down in its forward numbers actually. Chopping around for some time. CML. Tick back up to a big tick down in last year's numbers. and pipe hawk. Nothing really jumping out in there. Obviously, we'll see what the end of day screen does. I was hoping for a bit of brighter weather today, so I could do a bit of work on my van. But as soon as I got all the tools out of the van and set my stall up, down came the rain. So we will see how this day goes. We're just having a bit of a move down today, and we can just quickly have a look on the intraday charts. Obviously the US isn't open yet, but the DAX is just into that sort of baseline area. FTSE 100 we tend to ignore. In fact, the FTSE 100 would look half decent if it built a base here, wouldn't it? You know, 250 obviously went out of this base like a whippet, and you know, normal retracers in a bull market are buying opportunities. So what's moving today? I see Beeks is moving as well. There's quite a few moving in my portfolio, some down, some up, so it's kind of mixed. I'm just bumbling around there, just sat at all-time highs. So not really. Whack-a-moles have been sat at all-time highs for the last 3 or 4 days, so not really getting much traction yet, but we will see. Okay,